Students, now let us look at an example of a field table. In the previous sessions, we had discussed examples on a blank table, how to write the captions and stubs, the entire structure of a blank table. Now let us fill those with some numbers. So here is an example. In a sample study about food habits of residents of Agrahar village, the following data were observed. 55% of the residents were males, 85% were vegetarians, and only 12% were non-vegetarian females. Tabulate the above information. So here is an example of a village. So when you have to construct the table with data points, firstly you have to make sure what are the entities given here. So in the previous examples we saw that entities here given were occupation and gender based, number of residents which is gender based, and again in that we have married and single. So similarly you have to identify such entities here in this example. So first thing is 55% of the residents were males. So the total here, all the numbers are in terms of percentages. So the final total will be in terms of 100 only. Okay. So total number of residents of the village, 55% of them were male. This is total. Next, 85% of them were vegetarians. Only 12% of the females were non-vegetarians. So again, there is another bifurcation here, that is food habit, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So male, female, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. This is how the data has two entities now. Now let us look at the construction of the table. Yes. First is give the table number and then the title. So the table showing the sex-wise distribution of vegetarians and non-vegetarians of Agrahar village. Okay. So here is the subtitle, figures in percentage. So it is very important to mention this here because all the numbers here are given in terms of percentage. Since you cannot write percentage everywhere, it may look odd. So you are just mentioning it here. Okay. Next. Now the data has been divided into food habits and gender. So food habits, there are two food habits, vegetarians, non-vegetarians, and the gender here is male and female. So first you have to write all the data points given here. So 50, the numbers here given are 55%, 85% and 12%. So 55, 85 and 12. Okay. The grand total here obviously will be 100. So that is the total population of the town is 100. Okay. The total constituents of both the vegetarians and non-vegetarians is 100. So the total constituency of males and females is together is 100. Okay. So the male population of the town is 55% and the total population is 100%. So if you deduct 55 from 100, you will get 45. That is 45% of the population of the village is female. Next. Now you have got 45 here. Okay. So this 45 represents the total number of females, whether they are vegetarians or non-vegetarians. Both of them together are females here. So you have 45 here, you already had 12 here. That is, out of 45% of the females, 12% were non-vegetarians. So 45 minus 12 will be 33. So 33% of the females are vegetarians. Okay. Next, you had 85 here. Okay. So 85% of the total population of the village is vegetarians. Okay. So this column gives you the total of vegetarians. This row gives you the total of non-vegetarians. Okay. So out of 85, 33% of the females are vegetarians. So how many of them are males? So 85 minus 33, that would be 52. So 52% of the males are vegetarians. Next. Now, the total male population of the village is 55%, out of which 52 are vegetarians. So, how many of them will be non-vegetarians? 55 minus 52, that is 3. Okay. So, and lastly, if there are 12% of the females are non-vegetarians and 3% of the males are non-vegetarians. So total non-vegetarians are 15%. Okay. And so if you add it like this or like this, the total will be 100. Okay. So this is how you are constructing a filled table. Okay. Footnotes. In the footnotes, wherever there are star marks, those star marks excluding 55 here imply that they all were being calculated freshly. So whichever are calculated are given here. So 45 minus 12, 33. 85 minus 33, 52. 55 minus 52, 3. 12 plus 3, 15. So this is how a filled table is constructed. Next, let us look at another example here. In a state, there were 30 lakh people. Out of these, 10 lakh people live in urban areas. In urban areas, there were 7 lakh male people, out of which 2.5 lakh are illiterate. In an urban area, 2 lakh ladies were illiterates. In the rural areas, there are 15 lakh male people, out of which 5 lakh were literate. And in rural areas, the illiterate ladies were 3 lakh. Tabulate the above information. So, the total population given here was 30 lakh. So, 30 lakh people. Again, now we have to identify the entities here. So, here, the first thing we observe here is urban area. So, urban area and rural area. So, type of the place they are living, region is one entity here. Another entity here is males and females, gender. And another entity that is here is literacy, literates or illiterates. Okay, so the data has three entities here. One is region, urban or rural. Second one is gender, male or female. Third one is literacy, education, literates or illiterates. So we have to tabulate the above information. Okay, now let us look at the table constructed here. Okay. So this is the table constructed here. Again, you have to write the table number, the title of the table representing the residents of a state in urban and rural area according to sex and literacy. Figures are in lakh. Since you cannot write 2,50,000 here, it would be very big number and all the numbers here are in lakhs. So you can't write them in one table due to space. Hence you are reducing them to single digit and hence you are mentioning it here that the figures given are in actually in lakhs. So 2.5 here means 2,50,000. 4.5 here means 4,50,000. 7 here means 7 lakh. 1 here means 1 lakh. 2 here means 2 lakh. So this is how you have to interpret the numbers. Okay. Now first we divide the data according to given entities. So area of living or region, urban, rural. Okay. So the type of the population here, the gender is men and women. Again in men and women, literate men, illiterate men, total. In women, literate, illiterate, total. In the total, illiterates, literates, illiterates and total. So this is how you are classifying the data in the table. Okay. Now we shall write the numbers that are given first.